Now we'll study method of filing. We got three different methods of filing. One is straight filing, second is cross filing or diagonal filing, and third one is draw filing. For any kind of filing, clamp job properly in the bench wise. Do not clamp it at more height. Height should be maximum 5 mm above this bench wise jaw level. Keep the surface parallel to ground. Tight it properly. Hold file in right hand if you are right-handed. Left hand should be kept on the opposite end of file, and then filing process can be done. Whenever we are filing, total length of file should be kept parallel to ground. We should not press more with left hand to tilt the file in this direction or right hand to tilt the file in this direction. We should keep file parallel to the surface. Stand properly. If you are holding file in right hand, your left hand should be in front and right hand should be back side. Stand properly. First one is straight filing. While doing straight filing, stand before that end which you want to file. Keep file in straight manner and reciprocate file in straight manner in this way. Now observe, only this part of file is filed. Only this part of job is filed. Whenever we want to file particular part of job, then straight filing will be done. With straight filing, you can shed more material. Second one is cross filing. You will have to stand little to the left side of vice. Hold file in cross manner. Move file from one end to other end in one stroke and backwards. Full length of file you need to use. Move file from one corner to another corner. So it is known as cross filing. In this way, in cross manner, we are moving the file. It is called cross filing. It is also known as diagonal filing. You will have to give 30 to 32 strokes per minute whenever we are filing. So cross filing will be done in this way. Observe it. Entire surface comes in contact or entire surface got filed with cross filing. So it is known as cross filing. Whenever we want to remove material from total surface, we are going to use cross filing. This is second kind of filing. Now you observe so many tiny particles, small particles are gathered over here. These particles are metal particles cut by file. Whenever you want to remove these metal particles, you will have to use brush. Remove particles with brush only. No other way you are going to use to remove these particles. Our third filing is draw filing. For draw filing, we need to paste chalk on surface of the file. Draw filing is used to remove high points from the surface. So whenever these high points get removed, those may get trapped in the dents of file and sharpness of file decreases. To avoid that, file surface we need to paste chalk, by which those tiny particles do not get trapped in the dents of file. Stand sideways. Put this chalk pasted area on the job and reciprocate in this way. This is known as draw filing. You will get shining finish with the help of draw filing, and all the high particles, high points from the job will be removed with the help of draw filing. In this way, draw filing will be done. In this manner, three kind of filing we observed. One is straight filing. Whenever particular part we want to file, straight filing will be done. Cross filing, whenever we want to file entire surface, we are using cross filing. And whenever we want to get it finished or high points we want to remove, we will use draw filing. In this way, three kind of filings are